Morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Everybody is listening to your main subject classes in Microsoft Teams and doing assignments which are given by the subject teachers. Most of you are not listening the videos. I'm not getting the views of your my videos of last two videos. I don't know what the issue. Okay, please watch the video and do the assignments properly. And very simple assignments I'm giving. These are all very basic terms you're listening from of you're using in your daily life. So these are all terms you should know. Internet and internet related services, what are you getting? Clear? Last video we discussed about few basic terms. What is website? What is web browser? What is domain? What is www? Difference between internet and www? What is blog? What is different chart? What is client? What is server? What is web client? These are the terms which on continuing that one. Today we'll see about web server. So I told a server is a one computer only which is having high-end features which will control all the clients. So what this web server is? A server is a program that runs on a machine and is meant to provide services to the clients connected to it. That's the normal definition when we heard about the client and server concept. It accepts the request which come to it from client, process the request, generate the response and sends the required information to the client. Yeah, जो client ने जो request भेजा है वो request को process करके उसको response देके उसको फिर information जो client को वापस जाएगी. The communication between the client and server uses the HTTP protocol, that is hypertext transfer protocol. So जो एक client और server का जो बीच में जो protocol use करने वाला जो है वो HTTP. A web server is a type of server which is responsible for providing of web contents. वेब में जो है वो अवेलेबल है वो कंटेंट्स प्रोवाइड करने का काम है वेब सर्वर. इट प्राइमरली होस्ट द वेबसाइट्स एंड अलाउज द क्लाइंट्स एंड इंटरनेट यूजर्स टू एक्सेस द साइट्स. सो इंटरनेट में जो भी साइट्स है लिंक्स है जो सब जो है वेब सर्वर में स्टोर होता है. जो यूजर ने रिक्वेस्ट किया वो सारा जो लिंक्स है वो वेब सर्वर से आ पाएगा. द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ वेब सर्वर इज टू स्टोर द डेटा एंड डेटा फाइल्स ऑफ द कीवर्ड्स व्हिच आर यूजिंग बाय द यूजर. The browser sends a request for web page and web server in return and searches for the requested page. जो mainly जो what it stores the websites and it stores the web pages. So जो client ने जो request भेजा वो web page को जो web page चाहिए वो web page को display करने वाला काम है वो web server. It scans the request and sent by the clients for any possible vulnerabilities and malwares, provides secure access to the website data and prevents it from the unauthorized access. So बीच बीच में आप लोग एक information आता है visiting the site is harmful unauthorized ऐसा करके आता है. So it shows that जो आपने रिक्वेस्ट भेजा था वो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर गलत है मान लो वो जो डेटा whatever your access it contain that website contains some malware, some issues, some virus is there in that particular visiting of that site, so that information will be provided from the web server only. Okay, next, the web server takes the help of additional servers called application servers when the websites contains the dynamic content. application servers करके additional help लेके so dynamic content को जब dynamic website में dynamic content है वो application servers use करते हैं. These servers provide one centralized storage space. The server also helps the users in sharing the resources and equipments like printing, fax machine, and provides the internet access to all the authorized users in that particular network. So like आजकल जो cloud network आ रहा है, so based on that everyone is able to store the data in that data inside the website only. They are not required to maintain the particular server machine. Everyone, almost all the applications can be handled from the cloud only. So cloud again we categorized into private and public cloud. Okay, so it's become as an online server where you can store all the database, all the applications which are required normally to store, and you get the access service. If you are having internet, you will get all the access and services from the particular server. What is the difference between the server and web server is? Okay, a server is a type of a computer or device on network that provides services to the machines client connected to it. Yes, so that is a server. Normally physically a computer or device that provides service to the machines to the computers, clients or nodes connected to it. A web server is a program or computer primarily responsible for providing the web contents to the web client. So that it stores processes and delivers web content in the form of text, picture or videos and animations to its clients. So mainly जो है it is primarily the program which stores and delivers the web content in the form of all types of media, that is text, pictures, videos and animations to its clients. जो web clients है जो browser ने जो request किया, जो client ने जो request किया था वो जो पेज को रेस्पॉन्स करने वाला जो काम है वेब सर्वर है। अब सर्वर में जो इज ए मशीन और डिवाइस दैट प्रोवाइड्स सर्विस टू द मशीन्स कनेक्टेड टू इट, दैट इज नोड्स जो जितना भी वो नेटवर्क में कनेक्ट किया है वो सब जो कनेक्ट करने वाला जो काम है वो सर्वर है। मैंने आपको जो सर्वर में एक प्रिंटर कनेक्ट किया, सो बाकी जो मशीन्स में प्रिंटर को यूज कर सकते हैं। द सेम वे वेब सर्वर में क्या है, जो क्लाइंट ने जो रिक्वेस्ट भेजा था वो रिक्वेस्ट में ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ मीडिया लाइक टेक्स्ट, पिक्चर्स, वीडियोस एंड एनिमेशन को सब प्रोवाइड करने वाला जो काम है वेब सर्वर का काम, ठीक है। सर्वर प्रोग्राम प्राइमरी server manages hardware and software resources in a network. Yes, it manages both software and hardware. A web server is designed to serve only HTTP requests and from a web browser and response with a HTTP response such as sending and back on HTML page only. मतलब ये जो web server क्या है? It's a program to serve only the HTTP requests which are sending from the web browser and response with the HTTP response only, such as sending the back again HTML page only. जो यूजर रिक्वेस्ट भेजेगा वो HTML पेज है, अगेन जो रिक्वेस्ट जो प्रोसेस होके एक आउटपुट आएगा जो पेज आएगा वो भी HTML पेज है, क्लियर। A server can be shared, a server or a dedicated server. A server can be shared or dedicated server. A web server is a dedicated server, dedicated only for this particular web servers or HTTP clients or requests. A server provides access to server-side logic server application using the languages supported by the server such as Java, PHP, C Sharp, etc. It can only display static HTML content and the web browser. Okay. सर्वर में तो बहुत सारे लैंग्वेज सपोर्ट करता है, जावा, PHP, C Sharp जो बहुत सारे लैंग्वेज सब सपोर्ट करता है, बट HTML में तो वेब सर्वर में ओनली HTML स्टैटिक। देयर आर वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ सर्वर्स और एप्लीकेशन सर्वर, फाइल सर्वर, प्रिंटर सर्वर, कम्युनिकेशन सर्वर एंड डोमेन सर्वर। सो अलग अलग पर्पस के लिए अलग अलग सर्वर्स है। So some of the common web servers are Apache server, Microsoft IIS, Internet, IBM Lotus, okay, Sun Java, Microsoft Sun Java system. These are the famous web servers, okay. Clear? A web server can be classified into two categories, mainly shared web server and dedicated web server. Shared web server and dedicated web server. Next, website. Website is a collection of web pages. Website is a collection of web pages. Website is a collection of related web pages, contains images, videos or other digital media located under the same domain name. जो same domain name है, domain name के बारे में जो पिछला वीडियो में दिखाया था उसमें दिखाओ, ठीक है। The web pages are written in HTML and can be accessed via the internet only. So web pages किसमें लिखा हुआ है? HTML पेज में, ठीक है। तो HTML से आप लोग एक्सेस होगा। These pages are linked together through hyperlinks and hypertext and share a common interface and design. So they are linked with one other page and they share the common interface with each other. A website is hosted on a web server on the World Wide Web. A website is hosted on the World Wide Web. कहाँ World Wide Web में ही होस्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। Each site is owned and managed by an individual or company or organization. So हर एक वेबसाइट एक individual or maintainer or organizations भी यूज होता है। What are their components in the website? There are mainly 4 components of website which are explained in the following section. So let's see. First one is domain name, for which we say domain name. To share any information, every computer connected to internet should have the unique address. Like sainischoolpurulia.com. So this is the Sainik School Purulia is a domain name. Okay. Next, the ICANN, the Internet Corporation of Assigned Names and Numbers. The ICANN has designed a system to provide unique addresses to each computer in the form of numbers or characters. So ICANN is the particular organization who has designed the system provide the unique address to each system in the form of numbers or the characters. Okay, ICANN. Please remember this one. The character based addressing system is known as domain name, whereas the number based addressing system is known as the IP addressing. So जो आपका जो क्या बोलते हैं आपका वेबसाइट का है जो sainikSchoolPurulia.com is a domain name भी से, बट उसका अगर सेम एड्रेसिंग का नाम में अगर एड्रेसिंग को बोलने से उसका IP एड्रेस अलग हो सकता है. So rather than accessing the we can't remember that address, so that the domain naming system was introduced with the help of the ICANN network. So with that help we are able to create the website for individual or organization or for the group of networks. So it is impossible, it is a what I say, it is difficult to remember that IP addresses. Rather than that, they given some naming system, that is domain name space कहते हैं, domain name space DNS कहते हैं. Okay, next one. For any website, the domain name is the unique name given to it, which visitors use this identify and locate the site. Okay, identify and locate the site. To understand the domain name better let us take analogy of a painting of exhibition where your paintings are displayed. See .com, .org, .net, .de, Wikipedia, organization में Wikipedia, FSF etc. है गए. Wikipedia में अंदर NDS, DA करके उसका अंदर में जैसे ट्री डायग्राम जैसे किया देखो, ठीक है. डोमेन नेम, दिस इज अबाउट वेबसाइट. क्लियर देखो, com, organization, net, de and again Wikipedia, FSF and paintings on the NDS and D. देखो उसका अंदर में सब का अंदर सब ठीक है. Next, visitors cannot see your paintings unless they know the physical address of the exhibition of building. Okay, आपको जो भी विजिट करना है आपको साइट को, जब तक वो आईपी एड्रेस पता नहीं वो विजिट नहीं कर पाएंगे. Site files have all the site files. What is site files? Site files have all the elements of your web which contains images, documents, templates and HTML pages. So web server में सारा store करेंगे. Keeping the above site analogy in consideration, site files can be related with the paintings and exhibitions and building. Okay. Next, web host. Web hosting is a service that provides a space on the internet for the maintenance of the website. So web hosters, where the different web hosters are there, that is GoDaddy.com ऐसा करके बहुत सारे web hosting services are there. Like any other computer, web host or hosting servers run on different operating system. Okay, they are different running. Commonly used operating system for the hosting servers are Apache, Linux and Windows. Apache, Linux and Windows. Considering the above analogy, we can relate the hosting server with exhibition building, which is exhibiting with your paint. So they are telling with the exhibition building type, and the content management system using. A content management system aids in a managing that content of website. So CMS करके हर एक साइट को CMS करके तो आपको पेज में कुछ एडिट करना है, कुछ क्रिएट करना है, कुछ मॉडिफाई करना है, सब एक कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम के द्वारा से होता है. It helps the author in creating, designing and modifying the content of website. Okay, WordPress, Joomla and Drupal are the examples of the popular content management system. So WordPress is the free blog site. Blogger.com जो Google का तरफ से. WordPress is also a content management system which are developed in the basic HTML only. The very static we can develop and modify our pages also. So it's a free blog where you can develop your own website. So if you want to make your own website, you can make in the WordPress. Our school website is also running with the help of WordPress only. Our school website is running with the WordPress content management system only. So I made this website only and with the help of WordPress only. CMS can be related to exhibition organization who helps a painter in organizing his painting exhibition. Okay, CMS helps what to be there, so that all things will be there. Next, web portal is a gateway to wide range of internet services such as email, search engine, e-commerce, etc. That is a web portal. Okay, where a web portal is a type of website but with huge range of offerings. Huge range of offerings are there. Okay, moreover, unlike a website, does not contain information of any topic. Okay, it does not contain any topic. Okay, instead it suggests related web pages to the user to find the desired information, links to the related. जैसे आप कुछ कीवर्ड प्रेस किया था उसका सारा लिंक्स जो आएगा, that I can say as a web portal. Nowadays most of the search engines are acting like a web portals to present information from the diverse sources in a unified way, like Yahoo, MSN, Bing के जो आ रहे हैं वो सब इसी में आएगा. So let us see the difference between the features on the website and web portal. See, a web portal is a gateway to wide range of internet services. It's a gateway to internet services. Website is a collection of related web pages containing the images, hyperlinks, videos and other digital media set and other same domain. Okay, same domain name से होगा. Also authentication, who is authenticating? It requires authentication methods like login and provides information accordingly. So web portal access करने के लिए तो तुमको login और information जरूरत है. For example, gmail.com, redditmail.com, etc. of the web portals. No authentication is required in the accessing of website. Anyone can see the content. For example, all the sites can be seen. Okay, CVS site देखना है और कुछ NCERT site देखना है, सब देख सकते हैं. ठीक है? Okay, clear? Next, personalization. So personalization in the aspect of the web portal, it provides a focused and personalized information. तो आपको जो personalized information है web portal में मिल जाएगा. Website provides an extensive content to fulfill the needs of a wide range of users. So wide range of users के लिए provide होगा. User can access the use of provide information as per his desired. जो चाहिए वो सब मिल जाएगा website. ठीक है? Next, customization. Web portal में कैसे customization होता है देखो. A user can select and organize the content he wants to access. कैसे चाहिए वो सब access कर सकता है web portal. The content is searchable but not customizable. मतलब a website is only read only. Web portal is a read. You can read write also. Clear? Linkage. It is a generally linked to various websites that provides the relevant web services. Web service जो provide करेगा. It generally linked to its own web pages created inside that website only. University or company website, search engines are examples of web portal. HTTPS ऐसा कर कुछ वेबसाइट जो भी है sciencepeople.com, these are all examples of the normal website. Website में just simply they contain the web address only, that is URL we say uniform resource locator which includes that all things. Okay, clear? So university या company website को जो है वो सब web portal कहते हैं. To conclude, we can say web portal is loaded with multitude features and website is just information centric. So web portal पे बहुत सारे features रहेगा, whereas a website is just information centric only. Clear all of you? Okay. Web page देखो web page क्या है? Web page is a digital page which may contain text, all types of media, image, audio, video, tables, etc. Okay. It is commonly written in by the using the HTML language, hypertext markup language, that is stored in web server. Web server में store करते हैं web server. Each web page is identified by unique web address called uniform resource locator. That only I am telling. Each web page को हम लोग कैसे identify करेंगे using the uniform resource locator. That is, see, this is https google.com. Okay, that is example of the URL. Although anatomy of one web page may differ with another one, as multiple ways in which a web page can be designed. तो वेब पेज में एक दूसरे से अलग अलग बना सकते हैं, देखिए जैसा चाहिए वो ऐसा कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं. However, there are some common elements which every web page contains. There are some common elements some every web page contains. Let us discuss some three basic elements of the image of the web page in the next page. Okay, क्या क्या है देख. Structural elements of the web page like CIETNIC.in, so that's the title bar, and the navigation links, the menu or the navigation links to move from one page to another page in the website. Clear? Then header area, that is the main heading or the text logo, such text box or search box. And content area contains the main content of your web page, जो content है जो सब दिखाएगा. Then footer area that contains the copyright notices, website में contact information कैसे जाना है वो सब दिखाएगा. Clear? Content elements of a web page. The content of web page is made up of hypertext and hyperlinks. They are made up of hypertext and hyperlinks. What is hypertext and hyperlink is? It refers to a digital text that has unique feature of linking to other documents or web pages. That is linking of documents from one page to another page. It is generally highlighted in some different color on a web page. Okay. So when you click that hypertext, it's open a new web page. So उसमें click करने से new web page हो जाएगी. Hypertext may be in the form of text or image or audio or video. Okay. It is then called as a hypermedia, as it is not confined to only text. Hypermedia भी कह सकते हैं. Hyperlink is an electronic link which providing a direct access to hypertext in an HTML. Hyperlink जो है is directly accessing to the hypertext in an HTML document to from one document to the another document or an object in the same document also. In other words, an hyperlink offers a web users a reference to the data they can follow by clicking on it. So उसका reference चाहिए तो वो click कर सकते हैं. So when you hover the hyperlink, the mouse pointer changes the symbol of a hand and pointing at the link. Okay. Next, source code. Source code is a code which are written for the viewing of that particular. माना right click करके view page source code से देखने से वो page कैसे लिखा था वो सब HTML code देख सकते हैं. It contains instruction about layout and structure of the web page. It also defines the content of web page. Content web page में क्या क्या वो सब देख सकते हैं source code में. These instructions are used by the browser to display the web page. तो browser में ही आप लोग जो page खुलाता है वो page का अंदर में कैसे क्या content है देखने के लिए right click करके view page source code में click करने से आप लोग को source code दिखा जाएगा. A static content is a type of content that remains stationary irrespective of the number of times it is viewed until the source code is modified and published. तो static pages होता है, dynamic web pages होता है. वेबसाइट में दोनों जानना बहुत जरूरी है. वेबसाइट में आपको कैसा टाइप का वेबसाइट चाहिए, सिर्फ स्टैटिक कंटेंट चाहिए और डायनामिक वेब पेज चाहिए. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द स्टैटिक एंड डायनामिक यूसेज? स्टैटिक मतलब वो है वो कभी भी वैसे ही दिखाया जाएगा. हमारा वेबसाइट फॉर एग्जांपल हमारा स्कूल का वेबसाइट वो स्टैटिक कंटेंट, उसका जो अंदर में जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो डेली चेंज नहीं होगा. जब मॉडिफिकेशन जरूरत है, जब कुछ अपडेट जरूरत है तभी तो चेंज होगा. सो दैट इज अबाउट स्टैटिक कंटेंट. डायनामिक कंटेंट क्या होगा देख. It is written using HTML code. Okay, these web pages are quick to develop and load. However, they are not interactive. They are not so much of interactive. Dynamic content refers to the web content that is generated based on the viewer's request and preferences. Okay, the content will change if another user views it as it is in the same time. मतलब एक यूजर को एक जैसे दिखाएगा, अलग यूजर्स का अलग दिखाएगा और वैल्यूज भी चेंज होएगा. Okay, these are all things are the part of the dynamic content. It is appropriate for displaying user specific information. Example, shopping cart or live information or like news or weather updates जो भी है वो information तो continuously change होता है. So that is about the dynamic service. What makes a web page work? मैंने वेब कैसे वेब पेज काम करते देखा. Web page is a basic unit of every building website, every website or document on a web which contains information. So definitely there contains information. It is created and organized using a web page development tool like HTML for static content or scripting language like Perl and JavaScript for dynamic content. JavaScript is kind of for dynamic key. The success of any website depends on the creation of web pages with good information, nice layout and appropriate pictures. So success कैसे good pictures, good information, good layout करने से तो website का अच्छा views आएगा. Let us have a glance at the steps of depicting the working of web page. So web page कैसे काम करते हैं? The source code of a web page is written using the web development tool, that is HTML. The request is made by the user for this web page by typing URL in the browser. So जो request है वो URL में type करेगा search bar में. The web browser then transfers the request to the web browser, web server. The request gets processed by the web server. जो वेबसाइट ने जो URL में सर्च किया था वो क्या करेगा, वेब पेज ने वो वेब सर्वर को भेजेगा. वेब सर्वर क्या करेगा, जो रिक्वेस्ट आया तो रेस्पॉन्स देगा. The web page is located on the send back to the browser only. Browser. So here you see the example. The browser interprets the file and displays it on the web page. So here देखो user request के web page के लिए web browser से, so web browser से web server गए, web server में तो अपना source code को again web page के द्वारा से web server भेजा था, web server से again web page के द्वारा से browser में भेजा था, again web browser के द्वारा से web page में ही user को दिखा दे रहा. The browser interprets the file and displays it on the screen. The difference between the web page and the website: web page is single page, website is a collection of web pages. Clear? Simply. Okay. See, differences. See, a web page is a basic unit of every website. The website is a collection of web pages. It's a collection of web pages connected by the hyperlinks. A web page contains information on specific topic. A website contains information of subject. Okay. A web page can be compared with the single page of a book. We can compare a website with a book. Okay, we can book directly. The several web pages of website can be about us, contact us, testimonials, etc. These are the examples of the web pages. So website is maybe just have some unique address, that is URL, home page, or it may have the internal web page in addition to the home page. Okay. Each web page is identified by using a unique web address called as a uniform resource locator. Uniform resource locator which contains, that is, hypertext transfer protocol, domain and domain name and top level domain. Okay, देखो. Okay, then website within the domain. The website has its all pages accessible via the same domain name. Clear? This is about a home page is a default page of the site. That is everyone know home page मतलब starting page है. The first page, that is the visitor see on when you clicked on the particular website on loading of URL. Clear? These are all things we discussed. What is web server? What is website? What is difference between web page, what are the different domain name spacing, what are the different components of the web page and how the web page is working, and what are the different tools that are static page क्या है, dynamic page क्या है, किस कौन सा language में लिखा, that all things we seen. Many home pages acts like a virtual directory for site. Okay, for instance, a typical website has a home page with menu items like about us, contact us, products, services which are providing the particular site. There all things are provided in the particular website. Okay. Web browser, next one. As everyone know, web browser is a program that is used to visit the different websites on the internet by providing the browser with respect of the respective addresses or URLs only. Web browser तो ऐसे ही होता है. It is an interface between a user and the World Wide Web. It is the difference between the user and the World Wide Web. A user can navigate files and folders and websites with the help of the hyperlinks only. The features and facilities of the offered by the web browser include downloads, bookmarks, and passwords management, password save karna, cookies, history saving. So it also provides functions like spell checking, search engine toolbars, tabbed browsing, and advertisement filtering, HTML access keys, pop-up blocking, etc. A web browser can have the graphical user interface, GUI, and text-based interface also. Okay, but having the text-based interface also, the graphic-based interface also. So graphical user-based interface-based browsers are designed on the render content in the form of pictures, audios and videos, animation and text. Okay, most of the browser nowadays are GUI based browsers only, used widely to access the web based content. Clear? Navigation can be done by pointing, clicking with the mouse only. Navigation can be done with the help of pointing and clicking on mouse only. By graphics with the help of the hyperlinks. These browsers demand a large amount of bandwidth and CPU resources by rendering high quality content like videos and animations, etc. The most popular web browsers are everyone knows the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, So apart from the Torch website, Internet Explorer, there is the famous and Opera Mini, Edge, Microsoft Edge. Okay, text-based browser. Text-based browser, देखो. Text-based browsers are differ from the graphical user interface browsers. That is in the kind of content they can display. Text-based browsers provides an access to web in text mode only. They are provide only text mode only. Navigation can be done by highlighting the emphasis words on the screen with the up and down arrows and pressing the enter keys only. The following link only. The text-based browsers demand a low bandwidth as they do not require any high content like videos, audios, and graphics. Text-based browsers are especially useful with the speech synthesis. Links is an example of the text-based browsers. Links, LYNX is the example of the text-based browsers. Web address or URL. So that is user web address is a unique address given to the every website. That is the web address URL contains the hypertext protocol and domain and subdomain name and top level domain. See, the communication between the web user and internet resource is possible by identifying each resource on the internet in a standardized manner. Standardized manner में देखने के लिए तो हम लोग URL का है. Uniform resource locator the same as uniform resource locator. It can be defined as a string of characters that is used to identify the resources on the internet. So URL क्यों आया था? Rather than remembering the IP addressing concept, we are having the naming concept, that is domain name. So domain name होगा, subdomain name होगा, total domain होगा, top level domain होगा, protocol होगा. So that is URL contains. Okay. Rather than remembering the IP addresses, we are going for the URL concept. That is simple. An example of the website URL is as follows. So URL का पता है. So elements में URL में क्या क्या है देखो. The components of the URL are as follows. So that is you see the scheme. This is the first part of the web address, also known as the protocol identifier. Okay, this is also called as a protocol identifier. It tells the internet browser which protocol needs to be followed to access the address. Here the schemes is HTTP. Other frequently used scheme is FTP, file transfer protocol, which is normally, and mail for mailing purpose, email protocol. The host is the second part of the web address, identifies the host. HTTP हो सकता है, FTP हो सकता है, SMTP हो सकता है. SMTP is the mail transfer protocol के लिए, और FTP is the file transfer protocol for transferring of files from the websites to the माने आपका जो कंप्यूटर में और मशीन से जो वेब पेजेस बनाए वो वेब सर्वर को जाने के लिए FTP यूज करता है, तो जो वेब पेजेस देखने के लिए तो HTTP ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल यूज कर रहा है. देखा, the host starts typically with the www, which indicates the world wide web. Yes, this tells the browser where the resource, that is site, is located on the internet. So internet कहाँ है, site कहाँ है, वो सब देखने के लिए इसमें if the web address is intranet, it will not begin with www because it is internal website that can be viewed only on the internal computers of an organization only. Okay, the domain. So the domain, see, these are the different domains: .org, .co.in, .club, .site, .info, .biz, .in, .net, .com, .bike. These are the famous domains. Okay, so domain तो होगा ही. The unique name given to each website. Okay, so the domain name consists of two parts. One is the name of the domain and the other is the web domain, that is extension. Okay, next web extension tells the kind of organization where the country it belongs to, that .gov मतलब .government. ICANN, that is again, these are all domain extensions are monitored and regulated by the Internet Corporation of assigned names and numbers only. So assigned names and numbers जो है ICANN जो है control करता है सारा domains को. Clear? For example, .gov extension is website with the official government websites, and .com with the commercial organizations use it, that is .com only. Okay, commercial organizations .com. Domain names are easier to remember than IP addresses since the name has a strong correlation with the website. Okay, domain names is simple है rather than remaining the IP addresses. ठीक है, the domain naming system serves as a directory for the web by locating the addressing services. This is very important. Domain name spacing services, domain name system serve as a directory for the web by locating the addressing devices in a worldwide network. Rather than remembering the IP addressing, we have the concept called as a DNS, that is domain naming system. Example of URL, that is everyone know, domain prsindia.org. Okay, clear. The path, this is the last part of the URL. The path tells the browser regarding the file to be used in the domain directory. Path जो है बता देगा तो कौन सा background page में कौन सा page में visit करना है. Some common domains, that is some of the popular domain names extensions are given below. That is everyone know. Entity, elements of the entity, domain extension C. So to commercial.com. Okay, international organization INT. Next one government.gov. Next network.net. Next organization.org. Okay, clear. Next, educational edu, educational edu. Next one, information info. Clear. Next, business dot biz, business के लिए. US military का military MIL. एशिया पैसिफिक रीजन के लिए डॉट एशिया. मोबाइल सर्विस के लिए डॉट मूवी. एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री के लिए एरो. These are the famous some elements of the URL. So इंडिया के लिए डॉट इन, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के लिए डॉट यूएस, देख रहे. जापान के लिए डॉट जेपी, अमेजॉन डॉट इन, अमेजॉन डॉट यूएस, पाकिस्तान के लिए डॉट पीके, यूनाइटेड किंगडम के लिए डॉट यूके, फ्रांस के लिए डॉट एफआर, फ्रांस के लिए. सो डिफरेंट कंट्रीज के लिए अलग अलग डोमेन भी है. HTML, we discuss about HTML in the next class. HTML का क्या लैंग्वेज हो, क्या कैसे लिखा था, वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. These are the common most basic internet terminologies we see. Website क्या है, web browser क्या है, web client क्या है, what is domain naming system, what is different domains available, okay, how the web page is working, okay, clear, what is URL. These are all things we see. Thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home. So please do the assignments in the Google Classroom and please watch the videos. So whenever you are free, I am not forcing you to watch because you have to see the basics only. You may feel bored, but this is the theoretical chapter. Once we go for the HTML programming, then we'll get the live. Okay, live जैसे दिखाएगा. The theoretical part, that's why I'm going like this only. Everyone know, but you should know the terms. What the terms which are using, so that all the terms I discussed. Clearly, hope all of you are doing well. Thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home, stay prepared. Signing off.